Hey everybody, this is Roberto Blake of RobertoBlake.com, geeking out with you today over some more awesome gear. So today we have the Logitech K800 wireless illuminated keyboard that our good friends at Logitech sent over for me to unbox and review. So we're gonna check that out. And so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this with the handy dandy bat knife, and we're just gonna get into this bad boy. Alright, so that looks very impressive already. We've got a CD-ROM that we probably won't need right here, because we're going to be using this on the Mac, so it's supposed to be just plug and play, so yeah, there's that. We do have our USB dongle here. I imagine though, with this being Bluetooth, that we won't need it, but we'll hold on to that just in case. We've got our USB cable. Again, hoping we won't need this. And we've got a secondary USB cable that hopefully we won't need. First of all, this is extremely affordable. I have pricing and links in the description below where you can get this from Amazon, but this is super convenient and affordable and is an illuminated full keyboard. So if you're doing video editing like me, this is gonna be a great replacement for the wireless Apple keyboard that I currently use, because again, this is going to be great because it has no batteries. You can charge it via USB. It is an illuminated keyboard, so you can type in the dark. That is great for editing, for gaming, for working long term. It has these tabs here, which will allow it to prop up comfortably. So that's tremendous. It is super light, even comparable to the, Apple keyboard here. Because it has the batteries in it, they're not that much difference in weight. So I really like that. And even though it's the bigger keyboard, again, I still think it's great for what it is. The build quality is solid on this. So that's tremendous. And overall, having the ability and the access to a full-size keyboard is going to be great if you're doing anything from a productivity standpoint. If you're using the Adobe applications, you know how convenient that is. You know how much you miss it when you don't have it. So as much as a nice, small, unobtrusive keyboard is nice, this thing is going to blow it out of the water when it comes to getting real work done in the real world. So that's why I requested it, because it is functional and it is affordable for you guys. And again, Logitech makes solid quality products. I've been using them for years for different things, and this is a primary example of why. So I have this as well as some other keyboard recommendations in the description below for you to check out. I did my unboxing video of the MX Master Mouse. The review is coming soon, but guess what? 5 stars. It is that comfortable for my wrist. It is great to use. It has totally replaced the Mac Magic Mouse. If I wasn't the kind of person that I am, and if it wasn't that I like having a backup, honestly, I would take a hammer to this thing, because that's how big the difference is between the comfort level and the wrist strain of using the MX Master Mouse from Logitech versus using the Apple mouse, and the price is about the same. So there is that to think about. This is probably going to be very similar. This is going to be much more comfortable to work on. This does have this here for my wrist, so that's going to feel a lot more comfortable and better. So again, this is the replacement keyboard. This is where it's at, and I can't wait to do the full review for you guys of this, but I already can tell you that this just feels good. This just feels right. This is where it's at. Now, if you like chiclet keys instead, again, there will be recommendations to other keyboards in the description below, because that's a personal preference, and trust me, totally get it. So that is my first impression of the K800 from Logitech. A review will be coming soon, but this was the unboxing and why I think this is pretty cool. So look forward to that. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and let me know in the comment section, and let me know what you're using as far as keyboards and how you're using that. Also, remember that you can sign up to my Awesome Gear of the Week list in the link in the description below, and you'll get unboxing videos and my recommendations for the top tech out there. Anyway, like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the other awesome content on the channel. As always, you guys, thanks so much for watching and geeking out with me over the Logitech K800 wireless keyboard, which is fantastic already. Love it. And this is where it's at. Just saying.